Ta-da! So it's Halloween season and I am super excited to show you guys my look. I'm gonna go dress this up and get Halloween ready for you guys, and wait for the special reveal and stay tuned and keep watching. So that was my take on my Halloween look, on how I wanted to create this witch outfit. I paired it with nails that I got from Daiso, and I got the hat from Daiso as well. I got these black gloves from Amazon last minute. This black dress I already owned, and this belt is, I'm not sure, I think it's from H&M. I just belted it up. I'm wearing black sneakers and a broom, and I also paired it up with some of my own personal accessories, this tangled black necklace and this feathery sort of long black earrings. And if you haven't watched the video, then go back and watch it to see how I did my makeup look. I'm watching you. See you in the next video.